Guys, 2020 AT4 6.4 liter Haas GMC Sierra 6.2 liters of raw, uninterrupted power. That was a lot to say. But anyways, you know what to do, guys. Factory converter. Wise into a single 3.5-inch pipe. Then we put 3-inch instead of the muffler that went here. As you guys can see, had a massive muffler on it, guys. We'll show it to you guys. And we took the valves off and everything. Just cleaned it up for him and replaced it with a Borla Atak offset center. I'll show you guys the part number in a minute. There'll be a link in the description for it. Borla Atak. Then wise out the back on each side. And then we took the 2 resonators off to really amplify the sound of the Borla Atak. Took them off, ran pipe in their place, 2 1/4 on each side. And then took the USB tips off. Put them some black tips to finish off the look. Make it look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, as you guys can see. And you can see, he names it Pepper. AT4 Peppers. I don't know why, but yeah, Peppers. Right there and right there. Clean. So there's the 2 resonators that were on it. There and there, we cut them off. There's a huge muffler, as you guys can see. And there's the resonators, okay? I'll get you guys the part number on the Borla Atak in a second. Stay tuned. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And heads up, guys, we have construction there, so all that background noise, I'm sorry, guys. We have a mic and everything, but, you know. Go ahead, bro. See, I told you didn't take the resonators off. Give me gas? What do you think? Yeah? That's mean, bro. Borla Atak. All the way from Dyer, Tennessee, guys. 3 hours away. You call them Pepper? Oh, they that's the dealer. That sounds really nice. Your sound decibels. Give me gas. Right at 99, but man, it doesn't give it justice. It's louder than that. It sounds a lot beefier than 99. I like it. Oh, that's me. Just what you wanted?
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Yes, sir. GMC Sierra 6.2 liter AT4. Very nice. That sounds so good. Stupid rev limiters, guys. I'm sorry we can't rev them higher than that. We tried to, but it won't let us. It's okay though. It's quiet at idle too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Let's see if he gives us a sexy drive off. I love the look of these trucks. I always did. I like that front grille. I think he replaced it too. That thing's a jet. Wow, beast mode. Enjoy, guys. You can still hear it.